things to know on your way to Cibecue Falls or Cibecue Falls, whatever you want to say it. There's a ranger right at the entrance, so you pull off the 60. Right as you get on the dirt road, there's actually a ranger there, usually in a truck. So he'll be asking or she'll be asking for permits. They will turn you around if you don't have a permit. You can get a permit at the local Sinclair gas station. It's about 30 minutes northeast on that 60. So where the 60 tees off with the 73 here, there's a Sinclair gas station, 45 bucks a head for a permit. So don't forget that. You have to get it before 2. 2's the cutoff. Anything after 2, they will just say no go, come back another day. So get there early. But as long as you have a permit, you can get through, and you can actually drive 4 miles to the actual trailhead, and you can either park on the side of the creek that doesn't require 4-wheel drive to get across, which is pretty close. You do not need 4-wheel drive to get here. Or if you do have a 4-wheel drive vehicle, you can go across the creek to the lot directly on the other side of the creek and park there right at the trailhead. And the hike itself is pretty easy. It has about 1.5 miles each way on all trails. Does not take long at all. The trail's a bit overgrown as of right now, but you go to and from the creek, so you go through the creek probably about 8 to 15 times in that range, which is fun. Make sure you know you're gonna get your shoes wet, and then it ends up at that beautiful waterfall. We went later in the day, right? We got back to the truck right when the sun was going down, so late evening, and there was nobody there. It was super beautiful and secluded. So I recommend beating the crowds at a weird time of day, either very early or late in the day, and it's a short enough hike where you can kind of get out in time before the sun goes down. You don't have to take too much time to get out. Alright, I'll stop yapping here. Enjoy the rest of the video. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. More than happy to answer them. And back to the video.